In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Geometry Dash with a controller on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Natively, Geometry Dash does not support controllers. This is going to be true for any platform. However, by using specific workarounds, you can get your controllers to work. And this will work regardless of the controller that you are using, so either Xbox or PlayStation controllers. They can be from new gen consoles, so if you have the DualSense from a PlayStation 5 or the DualShock from a PlayStation 4, if you have the Xbox Series controller or the old Xbox One, it doesn't matter, you will still be able to use them. So first, I'm going to be talking about iOS. I'm going to be talking about Android later, so if you want to, you can skip ahead. For iOS, you don't need to download any applications. Just connect the controller to your phone. This will be primarily done over Bluetooth, so press and hold the PlayStation and share button or the connect button on your Xbox controller to connect them wirelessly, or you can use a cable if you prefer. And then on iOS, go to Settings, Accessibility, and in here, make sure that you have these options enabled. Use Game Controller, and then Perform Touch Gestures. By doing this, you will be able to control your phone using the controller, and you will be able to simulate a cursor or your finger. So make sure these options are enabled. You can change the speed, and next enable Assistive Touch. Then you will be able to set up the buttons on your controller. Every time that you press a specific one, you will do an action and so on, and you can even create custom gestures. So you can bind a specific button to tap on the screen and consequently jump and so on. Now, if you are on Android, sadly, there doesn't seem to be a native option to do this, so you need to download external applications. One example would be Octopus. This is going to unlock essentially the same functionality. It will allow you to map a specific button of the controller to do an action in game. So in this example, it is going to tap or touch on the screen. By doing this, you will be able to control in game. But what you have to do is download the APK because the app doesn't seem to be available on the Play Store. So look for Octopus Gamepad Mouse Keyboard Key Mapper or for anything similar that has the same functionality. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.